Okay, when I recorded this, my mic wasn't working for some reason. I was supposed to have sound. Anyway, I picked some vegetables this morning, and this is where my watermelon plants are. Look, I got one right here. All right, there you go, right there. It's getting pretty big. That's not my largest. Then I got one right there, and one down in there somewhere. Hard to get on video. It's hiding in there somewhere. Anyway, this is my big one right here. Hard to see through that net there. I'm gonna try to lift this net up. That's my biggest one. Tomorrow I'm going to start watering. That's my other one there. And let's see what we got here. Don't see one over here. These are my pepperoncinis. Don't see a whole lot on there. Let's see what I got here. Look like I found something. Oh, maroon brown one, whatever we call it. It might be edible. I don't know. That's one I had was edible. And let's see. There's another one here. Nope. Bug ate that one. You gotta pick these things very early. Yeah, keep them from the bugs getting them. That's doable. Oops. There's one there. I'm using my glass bowl instead of my strainer. Strainer's still full. That's a weed I don't want to keep forgetting to pull it. See another one over there. I'll get that next time. And let's see, my jalapenos, not so much. Need to start holding my camera up higher. And that one, I don't know. Yep, I picked that one. And not so much on that one. That plant's not producing such a whole lot. I'm gonna water them down really good tomorrow. And you can see I still got flowers. I got buds on it. On that one on the left, one on the right. You got a little bud there. That's it. And see what else we got here. Looking at tomatoes. Gotta pick them early before the bugs get them. They'll turn red. And pick some yellow peppers, yellow jalapenos. I'm gonna chop them up, put them in my food. And what we got here? Another pepper. And it's still got flowers on them. Haven't decided if I should pull that one. Yeah, I guess I will. That tomato plant just stretching out. I haven't trimmed them or anything. I should have. Let's see. There's some grape tomatoes there. Like you said, the early bird gets the worm, but the bugs beat me, and they got it. And see what we got over here now. I got some cherry tomatoes. There, one there. I'm not going to fertilize until September 1st. More tomatoes, grape tomatoes. There's a grape tomato. Oh, bug got that one. They can have that one. Another tomato. Get a lot of small grape and cherry tomatoes. I need to wear my chest strap for my phone so I can show more what I'm doing. And that's all I got so far. Oh, wait a minute, I see something. There's some more cherry tomatoes. Nope, that one I threw away because that had a split in it. I'll save that one. And see what we got over here. Oh, I see some more tomatoes. That one's doable. That one's doable. Let's see, I think I got a red beefsteak tomato here. Nope, the bug's got it. Oh, man, that hurts. That really hurts. It split and the bug's got it. I gotta learn how to keep my hands out away from my limbs. Let's see, jalapenos. I don't see any. Oh, here's a tomato. Yeah, I put this netting over to keep the bugs down, but he's still getting in there. Not as many, but he's still getting in there. Let's see what we got here. Sweet peppers. Banana, yellow jalapeno. Chop those babies up. See, that's bell peppers there. Don't see any worth picking yet. No, it's not good enough. Oh no, that was sweet peppers. There's bell peppers there. Nope, I don't even see no bell peppers on there. And my watermelon. See, I got another watermelon popping up there. Poo beans. Well, I was walking the dogs this evening, and I was looking at my garden. I noticed I missed 3 tomatoes. That's a decent size there too. Went to that sucker. I just want to get them off the vine before the bugs eat them. See, perfect. A little harder right now, but they'll change. They'll soften. Yeah, I had to caught that in time.